it's hair, it will grow back. So yeah, duh. Don't go just shaving off your eyebrow like me. Don't be like Natalie. Slipped. What? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalietegi. If you're new here, hi, welcome. It has been long since I said that intro, and it has been long since I did a sit down, like a whole makeup tutorial while I'm talking directly to the camera. Like the last video, which I did an actual sit down while talking, was 2 months ago. But anyway, we are here. I am going to be showing you guys how to achieve the vampire look. By the way, I have never tried this, the vampire skin. I've just seen it recently all over TikTok and I wanted to try because it's Halloween and my October has not been Octobering properly because I wanted to do the 31 days of Halloween and I didn't do anything. But anyway, I'm going to start off with my eyebrows and I really want to shave off my eyebrows. It's easier to draw on a fresh set of eyebrows and I can easily do anything I want, and for this look I want a super thin eyebrow. I should stop because if I continue it, I'll shave off. Like shaving off my eyebrow is making me this happy. Let's go on to the next thing. Primer. Eyebrows shape your face. Like, because my eyebrows are always going like shrink. Now it's like shrink, so I look like shrink, like I have completely woken up. That's, if that's a way to define it, then yes. And I have like more eyelid space and like I have more creative space. So shave your eyebrows if you want to, but only if you know how to draw your eyebrows without. If you can draw like the perfect eyebrows, I think you can go ahead and shave. Or if you want to explore like other different shapes of eyebrows, you can use this one, a stencil. Cleaning the eyebrow, I've used my foundation. I didn't use any concealer in this whole process. I'm not using concealer. Maybe I will, but we're not using concealer, we're not using blush. We're looking dead. And if you can hear the kids, oops, I will try as much as possible to be as loud as possible. Not loud to the point where I'm like shouting, but I will try. I have an eyelash in my eye, so yep. I'll get you still there. For the vampire skin, I've seen people using silver glitter, but the silver glitter that I have is way too chunky for this. So for me, I'm going to be mixing my foundation, liquid highlight and some silver eyeshadow or silver highlight. I'm going to mix this eyeshadow, the silver one, a little bit of gold highlight, and my foundation. I also had to mix in with chunky glitter, like a dot. And don't worry if you have dark circles, like discoloration around the eye, that's fine. Like my flashlight is white like bro. No concealer. On to the next thing. Contour. And I'm taking the contour like this, like downwards. And since I want my nose to be super skinny, with the same brush that I used for cleaning my eyebrows, I'm going to use the brightest concealer that I have and only take it to the nose. Searching my face, I'm not going to go as heavy as I usually do with my regular makeup. I just want to set it a little bit so that I do not look super shiny. Insta eyeshadow palette and use this. It is a dark brown. Dark. It's been a long time since I used this palette, but anyway, it's from the Gym Styles palette. I'm going to use this black and these two colors here. They don't deserve you. I tried to scream, but my head was underwater. They called me weak, like I'm not just somebody's daughter. Could have been a nightmare, but it felt like they were right there. And it feels like yesterday was a year ago, but I don't wanna let anybody know. Then to define it more, I'm going to go back again with the black, but for the red I'm going to drag. I won't add more eyeshadow on my brush. I'll just drag what's already there with the way my eye bag is going. Take it down, then take it across. because you look dead and dead with everything. Then with a smaller brush, I'm going to go back in with the black under my eye. Then I'm going to go with black for my waterline. From afar, I'm going to take the tiniest brush and with black eyeshadow make like veins. It doesn't have to be perfect. Lipstick I'm using is this one from Only Beauty. This is a dark one and it's in number 1. Then Miss Beauty, I do not know, but it's red. And I'm using this one, the one from Only Beauty, to outline my lip. You can leave it at that. You can add in some fake fangs, you can add in eye contacts, you can add in lashes to make it more on the glam side. You can add in fake blood. I'm going to add black lipstick. Just at the very top. At the top center and at the top center.